all over the world. And wherever you are, whatever your time zone, good morning, good evening to you all. You are welcome once again to our Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowa Ije, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. Guys, I have just quick information to share with us this afternoon. And guess what? This has been the information that we all in the community are aware of. I just want to use this opportunity to reiterate to us that taking the same button test is a sacrosanct tax for all TBC members. I ask, have you taken your same button test? If not, do so now. Don't be counted as robots. Yes, there are a lot of fake accounts out there, and because of the good things that are lined up for us in the community, we need to eradicate, to do away, to discard all these fake accounts. Guys, for everyone to be fully aligned with what is going on within the community now, you need to take the same button test. This will show the administration that yes, indeed, you are a real human being. So guys, go and take your same button test. There have been various posts, various uploads in respect of the process to follow to take the same button test. So guys, go and do that. And I wrote here, I say, attention please, take it seriously. Hello friends, taking the same button test is a mandatory requirement for all televisions to complete before September 1st, 2022. This is to validate all TBC real and genuine members' accounts, and after which all fake accounts without real human being ownership will be wiped out of the system completely. So if you know you are not a robot and your account is genuine and real, go and take the same button test now. We have till September 1st, 2022. Don't forget, the last day of August is actually what it actually means. Friends, many are real members but careless about the TBC account, their TBC account. I urge you, even if you have just one TBC, guys, even if it is just one TBC in your wallet, do all within your best to take the same button test to secure your account. It's very, very important. Do not hesitate. Do not trivialize. It's worth much more. Do so now. I say thank you very much. Why? Because Sapphire of Jewel cares. Guys, it is very, very important for all members of the community to take this 10 button test. Go and take it now. It is very, very important. So be serious about it. Go and take your same button test now. Thank you. Don't forget, click on that notification bell by your right hand side so that you always get an alert, a notification whenever I upload another video. Thank you. See you guys.